Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? I'm sure you are in good condition. Before I start, I hope you guys know me. There is a saying that if you don't know a person, how can you love that person? Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Farah Alfianis. You can call me Farah. Now, I am a student at IAIN Bukit Tinggi, and my major is English Education Department. Okay, so this opportunity, I will tell you about my future career as a teacher. Okay, the first, how I will plan my future as a teacher. Taking into account what and how I should get there, it is important that I think about the step I need to follow and the things that might be useful in the process of becoming a successful. Personal, in addition, I will include my work experience and what I have learned from shadowing my professional in the early and what I have learned from shadowing my professional in the early years. Qualification state that getting a basic qualification is the first step to becoming a teacher. And I also studying in university. I have to pass a numeracy and literacy skill test. I have gained an understanding of some of the main elements in becoming an effective passer. Becoming an effective patient. How to design future teacher? Future teacher are teachers who have the in reading the sign of the times, as well as having intellectual insight and forward thinking, never feeling satisfied with the knowledge available to them. What exactly is the future teacher as desired by many parties, including planner, meaning the teacher has a clear personal work program. The work program is not just a scouting program, learning unit, worksheet, and so on. However, the teacher must plan how its learning is carried out successful. And of course, and how the plan is done and has been well programmed. Innovator means having the will to carry out run well and refer to in relation in learning patterns. Including teaching method, learning media system, and evaluation tools, as well as another nurturing effect. Individually and together are able to change old patterns, which so far have not provided maximum result. By changing to new patterns of learning, it will have an impact on maximum result. Motivator meaning that future teachers are able to have motivation to continue to learn and continue as exemplified by their teacher. Capable personnel meaning teachers are expected to have knowledge, skill, and as well a more stable and adequate attitude so that they are able to manage the learning process effectively. And developer, it means the teacher want to continue develop themselves, and of course want to also transmit abilities and to their students and to everyone. Future teachers will be hungry for skill and be sensitive to development of science and technology. For example, comfortable and skilled at utilizing computer, the internet, and various models of multimedia learning. Some component that must be owned by a teacher in carrying out that duties as a professional teacher. The teacher as a source of learning. The role of the teacher as a source is related to the mastery of subject matter properly and correctly. A professional teacher who masters teaching material is well, then he really plays a role as a source of learning for students. And I think the teacher as a facilitator, a teacher play a role in providing. Therefore, teachers need to understand various media and learning research and their effective function. This understanding is very important because it is also necessary and suitable to be used to as a learning material. So the teacher needs to have skill in design a learning media, because by design it will facilitate the learning process. So the teacher already know which media will be used in delivering the lesson. Even teachers are also required to be able to organize various types of media and be able to use it as source of learning, including utilizing information and technology. The development of information technology, a teacher is required to be able to follow the latest information technology. Allow teacher choose a media are considered suitable and supporting to learn process, because teacher must be able to give example their student. In addition, communication skills are very important to make its career of student to catch the message that has been conveyed so as to increase the motivation to learn. Teacher as a manager is a teacher has role in providing and creating an atmosphere or state of learning that allow student classroom conducive to the learning process of a student. When a teacher cannot maintain class conditions, student will not feel comfortable in class, will get bored, and as a demonstration that a teacher must process, and the teacher is also an ideal figure, as an idol can be emulated by his student. In addition, teacher must be able to show how the right way so that each lesson or thing delivering to student can be easily understood by each student. This relates to approach, strategies, method, and learning models selected in the learning process. That's all of me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.